We're going to do internal rotation eccentrics, and so we're just going to train one part of the movement. This exercise can be done in different angles, so changing the angle will change the relationship of the shoulder, and they're all very relevant. We're going to do the internal rotation part, and then we're going to use our hand to bring it back to neutral. We're going to use a 2.5 pound plate, or you can use a 5 pound plate. The idea is to really create independent movement of the shoulder, so we don't want to have extreme weight and then have compensations happening. So bringing internal rotation in the eccentric loading, and then bring it back so we're not doing the concentric part. And so bringing it down, keeping the shoulder back, independent movement, not allowing the shoulder blade to follow with it the movement or to get the shoulder and upper back rotating with it. We're going to repeat this 10 times with the most independent movement of the shoulder as possible. And we're also going to try it in different angles. So you can do all 10 in one position, or you can try it in different positions. Bringing it wider. And think of this as a prehab exercise. It is not an exercise for bulking up, but it is something that will really create high stability in the shoulder, and it will also create more muscle within those stabilizers. And do the other side.